Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can print documents or photos using the Epson Smart Panel app. So let's get started. First, make sure your Epson printer is already connected to a wireless network. Also, connect your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network as your Epson printer. This is important because Epson's Smart Panel requires the mobile device and printer to be on the same wireless network. Now, open the Epson Smart Panel app on your iPhone or Android phone. If your printer is not already selected, choose your Epson printer and complete the setup instructions shown in the app. Once the printer is connected, you'll be taken to the Smart Panel home screen. To print a document, select the Print Documents option from the home screen. Now, choose the document you want to print from your phone. Depending on your Epson printer model, you may see options to adjust settings such as the number of copies, paper size, color, or other available print settings. Once everything looks correct, select the option to start printing. If you want to print a photo, go back to the Smart Panel home screen and select Print Photos. Choose the photo you want to print. Adjust the available print settings if needed, and then start the print job. Your Epson printer should now begin printing your selected document or photo. And that's it. You can use Epson Smart Panel to conveniently print from your smartphone without needing to connect your phone directly to the printer. That's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.